Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big bullish harmonic reversal cipher pattern, and I also want to show you this triangle, and we are getting bounced very well by the support of this ascending triangle on the daily time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when the price line completed the final leg of the cipher pattern, and I told them that we are having very nice support of this 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame inside the buying zone, and the buying zone of this cipher starts from $36,100 and goes to $28,800, and the sell targets of this cipher are from $46,339 and goes to approximately $57,100. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line at that time was moving at $35,900 and rallied well, and it was moved up to $45,829, $21. That was very close to this sell targets, but the price line moved down again inside this buying zone, and I'm expecting that this move is still due and the price line will hit this sell zone of the bullish reversal cipher pattern very soon. Now if we take a look at the daily live time frame chart, then here price line has already broken out a very big down channel, and after breaking out this down channel, it has formed another ascending triangle, and you can see that we have several touch points at the support and at the resistance as well. Right now the price line is again bounced by the support, and this is very important movement for Bitcoin because it is again trying to break out this resistance of $40,000. You can see that previously it has been breaking as a support here, as a support here, and as a resistance here. So at the several places, like as a resistance here as well, at the several places it has been breaking as a support and resistance. Therefore it is very important for the price line to break out this resistance, and at the same time it is also trying to break out the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. This blue one is the 10 and the red one is the 21 on the daily time frame. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame here, then we can see that after breaking out $40,000 resistance, the price line is moving down to retest this previous resistance as a support, and soon it is possible that we will have a closing above the daily time frame, above on the daily time frame above this resistance. Then we can expect that the price line can once again move to the next resistance, this resistance of the triangle that we have at $45,000 to break it out. Now for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of $45,000 or this triangle, then after breaking out we can expect a move here. If I place it here at the breakout point, that will be approximately at $59,500. However, the final target is still there, that is the top of this down channel, that is approximately at $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.